Installing drywall anchors is a great way to securely hang items on your walls without the need for studs. These anchors can be used to hang items such as shelves, picture frames, and even large items like televisions. In this video, we will walk you through the steps of how to install drywall anchors. By the end of this video, you will be able to confidently install drywall anchors in your own home. I am Sam, a drilling expert from Drilling Nerd. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future videos. Let's get started. Types of wall anchors. Expansion anchors. Expansion anchors sometimes take the form of cones, and they typically have elevated barbs along their bodies for increased traction. They are usually packaged with products designed for placement on a wall or ceiling. When a screw is driven into an anchor, the anchor's shank splits and extends into flanges or wings that grab the inside of the drywall. Self-drilling anchors. In addition to having the form of a cone, these anchors contain threads that are designed to resemble those found on screws. This allows them to be used as screw-in anchors. When a screw is driven into an anchor, it causes the body of the anchor to split, which holds it firmly against the drywall. Anchors with a hollow wall. Hollow wall anchors consist of a screw, a pointed metal body, and a spiked collar. These anchors are also sometimes referred to as molly bolts. A pilot hole is necessary for these anchors, just like expansion anchors. After the anchor has been installed, the spikes on the collar will keep it in place while the screw is turned. Plastic anchors are also available, which work on the same concept as their metal counterparts. Toggle bolts and toggle anchors. Anchors in the shape of a toggle can take on a handful of different forms, including straps and screws. To give stability, an anchoring piece known as the toggle is inserted into a pilot hole and then cinches up against the back of the wallboard. Toggles in the shape of screws provide a spring-loaded toggle that may be tightened for robust support. Install drywall anchors according to these instructions. Step 1. Make sure you use the correct drywall anchor. Check to see if the drywall anchor you use can support the weight placed on this fixture and the environment in which it will be installed. For this demonstration on how to utilize drywall anchors, we are working with a drilled or self-drilling drywall anchor with a maximum load capacity of 50 pounds. Step 2. Apply light to moderate force while twisting the self-drilling wall anchor into the drywall. To install threaded drywall anchors, you must apply mild pressure with a screwdriver. This is because the tips of the anchors will automatically self-drill into the wall. Be sure to maintain using force until the broad threads show signs of securing themselves, as this will prevent the anchor from merely spinning in the hole and tearing away the drywall. Step 3. Adjust the drywall anchor, so the lip is level with the wall as you turn it in. To ensure the drywall anchor is fully embedded in the wall, maintain the same pressure level throughout. Once more, check to see that the screw has been threaded through the corresponding hole in the component that will be mounted on the wall.